If you want to use a memory card or microSD card with the Realme GT 8 Pro, then in that case, unfortunately, you cannot use the SIM tray. So usually, of course, you can insert a microSD card into the SIM tray where you have your SIM cards. But in this case, it is not possible to do so because there is no microSD card slot, and the microSD card is pretty much as big as the whole SIM tray. So there is no way to use it like that. Instead, if you desperately want to use the microSD card with your Realme GT 8 Pro, then you have to use a memory card reader. Now in my case, I have this huge memory card reader that is unnecessarily big, but it has 3 slots in total. You can also try to find a memory card reader just with the microSD card slot. And the general idea is that we insert the memory card into the memory card reader, and then with the USB-C cable we connect it to the phone over here, and then you can easily access the storage of microSD card. Of course, it is inconvenient to use it on a daily basis. You probably don't want to walk around with this accessory attached to your phone all the time, but if you do need that additional storage in order to transfer something, to store some files or data, then of course you can do that and just connect this memory card reader with your memory card, only in cases where you just have to, where you just want to transfer files, for example. And that is pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.